Decor Designs, your go-to channel for creating spaces you absolutely love. Before we start, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel. Leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. Today we are stepping outside to explore one of the most transformative elements you can add to your property, the covered backyard pergola. But what exactly does this mean? Traditionally, a pergola is an outdoor garden feature forming a shaded walkway, passage, or sitting area with vertical posts that usually support a cross-beam open lattice. However, a covered design takes this a step further by incorporating a solid or adjustable roof, using materials like polycarbonate, metal, wood shingles, or even retractable fabric. This design bridges the gap between a completely open patio and a fully enclosed room, creating a structured, architectural living room right in the heart of your backyard. The benefits of opting for a covered pergola design are truly endless, primarily centered around versatility and comfort. The most obvious advantage is weather protection. Unlike a standard open-top pergola, a covered version allows you to enjoy the fresh air even during a light rain shower or under the intense midday sun, preventing UV damage to both your skin and your furniture. This extension of your living space also significantly increases your home's market value by creating an outdoor room that feels high-end and intentional. Furthermore, it provides a dedicated zone for hosting, meaning your dinner parties or family gatherings are no longer at the mercy of the forecast. It offers a sense of privacy and enclosure without losing the connection to nature, making your backyard feel more intimate and organized. Decorating a covered pergola is all about blending the comforts of the indoors with the beauty of the outdoors. To make it look stunning, start by defining the floor with a large, weather-resistant area rug to anchor the space. Use verticality to your advantage by hanging sheer outdoor curtains from the beams. Not only do they provide privacy, but they also add a soft, romantic movement to the structure. Lighting is the secret ingredient. Incorporate a mix of overhead elements like a rustic chandelier or industrial pendant lights with the soft glow of fairy lights or Edison bulbs wrapped around the rafters. Don't forget to green the space. Even though there is a roof, placing large potted palms in the corners or hanging ferns from the edges softens the hard architectural lines and makes the area feel like a lush, integrated part of your garden. To truly elevate your covered pergola, you need to invest in high-quality, functional items that invite you to stay a while. Comfortable seating is the top priority. Think deep-seated sectional sofas with moisture-wicking fabrics or a set of oversized wicker armchairs. Because the area is covered, you can also consider more indoor-style luxuries like an outdoor television or a high-end sound system for movie nights under the stars. A central focal point, such as a sleek gas-fire table or a modern coffee table, provides a place for drinks and conversation. For those who love to cook, incorporating a built-in outdoor kitchen or a high-end grill station under the taller section of the pergola can turn the space into the ultimate culinary destination. Finally, adding small comforts like outdoor-rated throw pillows, cozy blankets, and a ceiling fan for air circulation will ensure the space is used year-round. And to complete your inspiration and spark your creativity, here these the compilation of the top 10 best covered backyard pergola design ideas to inspire you for your next project. One, the modern integrated entertainment pavilion. This design features a sleek black-framed louvered pergola that sits directly against the home, creating a seamless transition. It is the ultimate luxury setup, boasting a full stone-clad outdoor kitchen, a built-in television for game days, and a sophisticated dining area, all set on a beautiful stone patio that feels like a five-star resort. 2. The classic rustic garden retreat. Embracing a traditional aesthetic, This wooden pergola is surrounded by a riot of colorful flowers and hanging lush greenery. The warm wood tones and the open-air feel, complemented by cozy wicker seating, make this the perfect spot for a morning coffee or a quiet afternoon read amidst nature. 3. The minimalist chic lounging deck. This stunning design uses a dark, contemporary pergola frame to contrast against a bright white house. It features ultra-modern, low-profile gray sectional seating and a crisp white fireplace, proving that a clean, monochromatic palette can make an outdoor space feel incredibly high-end and peaceful. 4. The architectural fireplace sanctuary. A masterpiece of modern design, this covered structure features a solid flat roof with integrated recessed lighting and a stunning linear gas fireplace set into a massive stone feature wall. The gray pavers and minimalist landscaping create a sophisticated outdoor den that is perfect for cool evening gatherings. 5. The multi-level timber masterpiece. This grand wooden structure utilizes a staggered multi-level roof design to define different zones of the backyard. One side houses a professional-grade grill station, while the other provides a spacious dining area, all while maintaining a beautiful, natural wood aesthetic that blends perfectly with a large green lawn. 6. The colonial pillar and awning combo. Blending classic architecture with practical shade, this pergola uses stout white Roman-style columns to support a dark wood lattice. The addition of striped retractable fabric awnings allows for adjustable shade levels, creating a breezy, Mediterranean-inspired dining terrace right off the back door. 7. The European Courtyard Lounge. This design features an industrial-strength metal pergola with an adjustable louvered roof, allowing for sun or total shade. Set against a rustic stone wall and featuring plush L-shaped seating, it creates a cozy, enclosed courtyard vibe that is ideal for intimate conversations and evening wine. 8. The ultimate island bar with swing seating. For the homeowner who loves to entertain, this massive wooden pavilion features a full-service outdoor bar and kitchen. The standout feature is the creative use of wooden swings instead of traditional bar stools, providing a fun, relaxed atmosphere next to a cozy stone outdoor fireplace. 9. The stone-walled sunset terrace. This pergola is defined by its beautiful stone pony walls and pillars, which provide built-in seating and a sense of permanent structure. The warm lighting integrated into the wood beams and the central water feature create a tranquil, multi-sensory environment that looks magical during the golden hour. 10. The elegant elevated porch extension. This design extends the home's living space onto an elevated stone porch, covered by a dark-stained wood pergola. With clean lines, white climbing roses, and comfortable wicker furniture, it offers a sophisticated vantage point to look out over the rest of the garden in style. Choosing a covered pergola is more than just a home improvement project. It is an investment in your lifestyle. By providing a permanent, stylish shield from the elements, these structures allow you to reclaim your backyard and use it just as often as your indoor living room. Whether you prefer the sleek, sharp lines of a modern metal pavilion or the warm, vine-covered charm of a traditional wooden structure, there is a design out there that will perfectly complement your home's architecture and your personal taste. If you enjoyed looking at these incredible designs, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to Homes Decor Designs for more outdoor inspiration every week. Which of these top 10 designs was your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. Are you a fan of the modern fireplace look or the classic rustic wood style? Don't forget to hit that notification bell so you never miss a chance to transform your home. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.